Okay, now, we're going to factor sum of 2 cubes. Okay, ito yung pattern na gagamitin natin. Mafa-factor lang natin siya again kapag yung first term at saka yung last term ay perfect cube. Example, we have to factor x cube plus 8. X cube is a perfect cube and 8 is also a perfect cube. So, ang una nating gagawin, okay, express muna natin yung terms natin in exponential form. We have x cubed is already in exponential form, and 8, the exponential form of 8 is 2 cubed. The x cubed plus 8 is equivalent to x cubed plus 2 cubed. Okay, so ayan. Again, the exponential form of 8 is 2 cubed. Okay, next. Let's continue. X cubed plus 8, we're going to rewrite in the form of exponential form. We have x cubed plus 2 cubed, and then we use this pattern. The next, it becomes x cubed plus 2 cubed, and then to get the binomial factor, okay, kukunin lang natin yung root, which is root of x cubed is x, and the root of 2 cubed is 2. So, or, ang gagawin lang natin, para makuha yung binomial factor, okay, kukunin lang natin yung cube root ng x cubed. Cube root ng x cubed ay x. Cube root ng 8 ay 2. Okay, para makuha naman yung trinomial factor, ang gagawin natin from the binomial factor, which is x plus 2, square lang natin yung first term ng binomial at saka yung second term ng binomial. So, x square is equal to x square. So, yung x square na yan, yun yung ilalagay natin doon sa first term ng trinomial. Okay, then, yung 2, yung second term ng binomial, square din natin. So, we have 2 square. 2 square is equal to, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So, yung 4 na yan, ilalagay natin doon sa last term ng trinomial factor. Okay, and then, follow the pattern, which is the negative sign doon sa middle term ng trinomial. Okay, negative din ang ilalagay natin. Okay, para makuha ang middle term, imumultiply lang natin yung first term ng binomial at yung second term ng binomial factor, which is x times 2. So, x times 2 is equal to 2x. Okay, so yan yung ilalagay natin doon sa middle term ng trinomial factor natin. Okay, the factor of x cubed plus 8 is the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so that is how to factor the sum of 2 cubes. Okay, next we have another example. Factor 8x cubed plus 125.